Thank you guys for tuning in to my channel. I'm really grateful to all of you who showed love and support to my previous videos, and I hope that you will show the same for this video too. Today I'm bringing you symbol of luxury and modern Dubai. Stands on its own man-made artificial island, set slightly offshore. It took 5 years to complete this project, 2 years for the island itself and 3 for the hotel to construct. It was opened in 1999 exclusively for the hotel guests, which after 21 years opened for the visitors. This tour would cost you around 249 dirhams, which translates to $69. The first stop would be a photo stop, which you can see here, and you can take pictures and videos for your socials. Apart from that, there is one dedicated guy who takes picture from the camera, which you can purchase later on or at the end of the tour. Visitors can head towards Jumeirah Hotel for the free valet parking. From that parking, you will be directed to the buggy area, the common stop for all the visitors. Thank you. Once you enter the building, you will be greeted with the rose water and warm towel and a shot of lemonade. Here I want to clarify one misconception. People say that it's a 7-star hotel. However, it's not. The certified rating for any hotel is maximum 5.
On your left side, you can see the Palm Jumeirah Atlantis, Royal Atlantis. On your right side corner, you can see the World Island. Total, we have 27th floor in this hotel. Now we are heading 25th floor. 26th floor will be ballroom and 27th floor will be restaurant. We're going now 200 meters above the sea level.
So this is all made on island.
Islands.
Yeah, we can rent that.
A British journalist once visited before its official opening and described it as a never seen before hotel and a never felt experience, thus referred as 7-star hotel. This exclusive suite was once used to be the most expensive suite of Burj Al Arab. It would cost someone at that time around $40,000 per night. But now they have converted this as museum. One museum is architectural studio where they showcase the initial design and the bladey behind the interior design of this Burj Al Arab.
Welcome.
Honshu, the lady you're watching in the screen, is behind the distinctive interior design of Burj Al Arab interior. All the color palettes, the fabric, she was the one who selected. The drawings presented here are the drawings that were actually made for the first time by the designers, by the team of designers. This dining table is an interactive table to customize the dining experience by selecting light and colors for a specific mood and atmosphere. This can be selected through the tablets that you are watching, placed next to the plates. They offer complimentary dates and Arabic coffee with every package. You can take more than once. For an exquisite experience, I thought to try the 24 karat gold coffee, which was nothing but fancy, and it's a flashy coffee that tastes like normal coffee.
Welcome to the Royal Suite, the jewel in the crown of the Burj Al Arab. Please come inside. I have been expecting you.
Royal Suite has been kept like the way it was used to be before. It has 7 rooms. The first room that we are going to explore is the living room and TV room.
Welcome to the living room and the TV room. So here in this room, we have a lot of antiques like the Japanese screen. It's dated back to the 19th century, over 200 years old now. Also, all this furniture original from 1999, no any change happened here. Any gold color you will find, it's gold plated 24 karat gold.
This suite used to cost $25,000 per night. Apart from this, there is a presidential suite which is exclusive for the high-end delegates. This is the queen room, and it has a separate bathroom that has 24 karat gold mixtures. This bathroom is loaded with Hermes amenities. Everything seems to be gold here. This is the king room. It has a rotating bed, which gives you a very different kind of experience. This has separate TV room and similar bathroom to the queen room. A distinctive dining experience for 12 people. And the last room is a meeting room that it looks like a meeting room, but I don't know for the exact purpose of this. So this marks the end of the tour. Thank you guys once again for tuning in, and do subscribe my channel. Share this video as much as you can.